Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to Exploring the Ka. I'm your host, Ra Castaldo, and I'm about to leave for work, and I wanted to talk about burial mounds and ancestral mounds that look like beehives. And some of them say that, some people say and some people believe that this single hole on top of this, and it can look like this, right? A mound, right? And there's ancient mounds that are connected to ancient giants, and there's a single hole that opens into the interior, right? So some people and shamans believe that this is a doorway that opens maybe an entrance and an exit way into the mound is also like into the soul. And some call it fey mounds, fairy mounds. You know, this is also a connection to your ancestral realm or to the holographic universe that stores everything that's ever been said or done. And you know, maybe this serpent-like myth comes from because when a snake goes through and burrows into the mound and into the hole, it goes down into the underworld. And you know, bees in general and bee hives are part of this AI matrix. Some shaman believe that if one is allergic to bees, then you have oracle abilities that you're not tapping into, and you're not being able to tap into the hive mind, the collective consciousness, and it starts, and you become sick from bee bites, and sick and allergic to certain bee stings if you don't start to, if you ignore that part of you, the oracle side of you. It's like a drone from the holographic universe into our material world. And it's interesting too because in so many ancient mythology tales you can find instances where they're talking about putting to sleep people through an anesthesia-like effect, through singing a song and humming a song that sounds like bees. And there's a lot of tales. Hermes was like this. There's a tale with the goddess Diana and Dionysus like this. There's some sort of technology that our ancient ancestors didn't understand at the time, where there was a bee-like song that could be played that put people to sleep and put them into a slumber. And it's like a powerful anesthetic or some kind of hypnotic trance through the sound of bees. And you know, we're gonna get more into this later. But it's interesting because this ancestral realm that we talk about, and how these bridges and ropes or something like that keep us into this material realm, anchored in this realm. And you know, different cultures have different tales of different sorts of things, like silver cords or sky ropes, or some kind of cord keeping us in this realm, keeping us a connection to this physical plane and into our physical body, while our etheric bodies, our other layers, travels other planes of existence and other realms. And in the an Amazon tribe. I don't know how to pronounce it right, but it's like Ashananika or something like that. Ashananika, something. I think it's they talk about a sky rope, and this connects the earth and the sky together, and they also, this tribe also is where I found ayahuasca from, and they call it the ladder in the Milky Way, or the vine of the soul. You climb the ladder into the cosmos, you know, and it is some sort of holographic consciousness, that some holographic library that you start to see. I'm really late too. I got to get out of here, but we'll pick this up later, guys, and I'll see you later. And spiral out.